Good morning, awesome people. It's Robin, Drive Time, African Payment Solutions, and here's some high-level stats for our multinational e-commerce companies. Today we're talking about the effect of smartphone growth across Sub-Saharan Africa and online payments and e-commerce. So some recent stats from the GSMA are useful, and I've summarized them for you. The growth in mobile subscribers in Sub-Saharan Africa slowed to about 5% compound annual growth over the next 3 years, which is about half of what it was growing at previously. By 2023, mobile phone penetration in Sub-Saharan Africa will reach about 50%. It'll add about 300 million new mobile phone subscribers between now and 2023. In Sub-Saharan Africa, 44% of the users have a mobile phone, as compared to a global average of about 66%. So we can expect probably a considerable amount of growth over the next few years, which will provide consumers with the ability to shop and pay online using their phones. E-commerce merchants need to consider the fact that the only way for African consumers to go online is with their mobile phone and their mobile data. So we just got to be, the cost of bandwidth can sometimes be relatively high, which is a barrier to entry. And I think e-commerce merchants need to consider the way they serve the information to these customers. And so, with the web design, using web apps, and, the fact that the cost of downloading apps and updating on a consistent basis may not, also the amount of bandwidth that's required to do that may be problematic for African consumers. So you have to try and make it easy and affordable for them to keep up with it. Another consideration is that there's about 135 mobile money services across Africa, okay, but not all of them are that critical. So your biggest ones are like M-Pesa, Airtel Money, Tigo Cash, Vodafone Cash, MTN Mobile Money, which are the best ways to get paid. And then in Nigeria, South Africa and Kenya, card is quite widely used as well, and these debit cards are now being able to be used online as the card associations start improving their reach and enabling them for online use. Mobile money is kind of the banking system for Africa. It's between mobile money and card, but mobile money is pretty much like a banking system. There's more than 120 million active mobile money accounts in Sub-Saharan Africa, which helps a lot. And then obviously some of it is USSD, but smartphones are growing at a fairly rapid pace, the penetration of smartphones or market share. So e-commerce companies that launch in, let's say, Kenya, South Africa, Nigeria, as smartphone penetration grows, you'll be able to grow with it, which will be a significant contribution to percentage growth per annum. So that's all from me this morning. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and if you're looking for online payment across Africa, go to africanpaymentsolutions.com, and send us a note, and let's see how we can help you. Have an awesome day.